Welcome to the IGCSE Geography Options presentation. You may be wondering what the difference is between IGCSE and GCSE, so let's clear that up now. The I in IGCSE stands for international, meaning the qualification is internationally recognised and is not just taught in the UK. This also means that the questions contained in our IGCSE course do not have a British bias and therefore takes into account that students from across the world will be able to answer all questions regardless of where they live in the world. Rest assured, the IGCSE and GCSE courses are both equally robust and accredited. Geography is regarded as a facilitating subject by the Russell Group, which are the UK's equivalent to the Ivy League, the top universities in the world. As you can see from the list on screen, geography is regarded as a robust, academically challenging and highly regarded subject. So why choose geography? One of the key reasons for geography being classified as a facilitating subject is due to its broad nature. Universities no longer prefer students with a very narrow curriculum, as this no longer allows a student to gain the necessary skills to enter the contemporary workplace successfully. As geography encompasses so many skills, universities and employers view geography as a highly desirable subject for their students and employees to have gained an experience of beyond Key Stage 3. One of the reasons why geography is one of the most popular subjects at GCSE in Jumeirah College is due to our consistently high examination performance. Last year, 45% of our students achieved a grade 9 and 71% of our students studying geography gained a grade 8 or 9, which places us in the top 1% of schools worldwide for value added progress. Geography is the study of both the human and natural world and takes a scientific approach to studies. It's also a very visual subject and we learn a lot by doing, whether this be using our outdoor spaces, working collaboratively, conducting research, and of course participating in field work, all of which allows students to gain useful cross-curricular skills, particularly in the field of ICT. The IGCSE course requires students to sit 2 exam papers at the end of Year 11. Paper 1 is 1 hour 10 minutes long and is purely focused on physical geography and accounts for 40% of a student's overall grade. Paper 2, Human Geography, is a longer paper, 1 hour 45 minutes, and therefore accounts for a larger percentage of a student's overall grade, 60%. A compulsory requirement for our course is a student's participation in fieldwork which is conducted locally. This is carried out over a 2-day period with a 1-night residential stay. The work undertaken during our fieldwork is also assessed in both Paper 1 and Paper 2. There is no coursework involved in IGCSE Geography. When we conduct our fieldwork, we stay here at the Quain Marina Club, a fantastic local trip. During our fieldwork, we investigate both coastal and urban environments, which allows students to gain essential research skills which blends well with a student's study of science in particular. However, we do also find some time after our studies to have some fun. We take a tour of the mangroves and have a blast using the houseboat slide, which is followed by an evening barbecue and of course some marshmallow toasting. These are the topic areas we study in our GCSE course. In physical geography, we study coastal environments, hazardous environments, which is the study of earthquakes, volcanoes and cyclones, and investigating coastal environments, which is based upon the previously described compulsory fieldwork. In human geography, we study economic activity and energy, urban environments, fragile environments, and climate change, and investigating urban environments, which again is based upon our fieldwork. Another reason why geography is so popular and our results are so impressive is because we have studied these subjects in years 7 to 9, and in IGCSE we use this foundation to go deeper. I hope that I've provided you with sufficient information to make the right choice and select the highly desirable subject of geography. However, if you have any further questions, please do get in touch with myself, the subject leader for geography, Miss Pountain. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen.